To make a knit ear saver headband, you'll need a piece of knit fabric cut to 5 inches by 21 inches long. You can adjust this length depending on if you need a smaller or larger headband. You'll also need 2 buttons, a needle and thread, and basic sewing supplies like a sewing machine. Start by folding your fabric in half. Then sew here, leaving 2 to 3 inches open on each end. For this seam, you should use a stitch that will stretch, either by sewing on a serger or with a zigzag stitch on your machine. Once your seam is sewn, go ahead and turn it right side out. Then match your ends, right side together, and sew across the ends as well. Now that our headband has formed, we need to close up this hole. You could do this by hand or stitch it on the machine by folding the seam allowances in and stitching close to the edge. Now our headband is complete and it's time to sew on our buttons. Stitch one button to each end about 1 inch in from the fold. And that's how you make a knit ear saver headband.